Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M14 and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all we have to open our contact list, so you can use the dialer for example. Find the contact, tap on it and pick this info icon. Now we have to tap on edit or just tap on this camera icon which is in this circle. It doesn't really matter. And here, as you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we've got the camera, and after picking it, your device will open obviously the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. And of course, obviously, you will be transferred to the gallery. Just pick the photo you'd like to use. And here from the step, we can change the size of this circle, a highlighted circle, and the position of it. We can also zoom in or out the photo. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area, this highlighted area, is responsible for it. So just tap on done if you're ready. This is how our contact will look like. So if you're happy, just tap on save, remember about that. And here we've got our contact. You will be able to see the photo on the contact list, or for example, during all incoming calls from that number. So basically that's all. This is how to add the photo to contact in your Samsung Galaxy M14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.